Yes, hello. Today I will be showing you how to assemble a Brat chip bag. First, we'll start with a crimper, that's optional, a chip bag, scissors, and a double-sided tape that we'll be selling on our website. We have the Brat file, your printout that we're going to be assembling today. Got the edges nicely trimmed and the white border. We're going to turn it over face down. And then we go glue with my oversized double-sided glue gun. Just my favorite. So we're going to glue the top of the file. All the way down, take your time. Then the left edge. Try to take your time, because sometimes I don't go as close to the edge as I would like, so I go a second time. That's perfectly fine. Then we're going to do the bottom. Take your time, because you want it to be as close to the edge as possible. In this case, facing down, the top, side, and the bottom is glued. The right side is left alone with the white edge. Put the chip bag facing down. And we're going to grab the right side and fold it over on top of the chip bag to about in the center of the chip bag. Then you're going to take the other side, which is the glue side, and we're going to try to line it up as best as we can. And, try to keep the artwork even and make sure the white edge is covered. And you just press down when you feel it's lined up. Then you run your hand over it evenly, and then you stick it underneath just to make sure that everything sticks. Turn it over, and you're going to center your artwork and then bring it to the top and line and just stick it together. Try to keep the edges as together as possible so you have less cutting for later on. So you just make sure everything's smoothed out and sticks properly. Turn it upside down, and you push down the chip bag if you need to, just to give you enough working room. Then you line that up. Take your time. Line that up evenly. And then you close the edge smoothly, just like I'm doing, and you finish it off with your fingers. Okay. Then you squeeze the side for a little puffy look. You take a look, and then, we're going to crimp soon. Like, again, it's optional. But I see it's a little edge, so I'm going to trim it with a pair of scissors. Just trim the little excess white trim that you sometimes have, because sometimes you don't line it up perfectly. Okay, and the bottom is fine. So now I'm going to use the crimper for just the finishing touch. And again, that's optional if you have one. If not, it's perfectly fine. So you tuck the bag into the crimper in between the two rolls, as even as you can. Give it a half a twist. And you go flip it over, and you give it a half a twist again. Very easy, not too much. And voila, your chip bag is completed. See, you take a look at it, make sure everything's lined up. You straighten it out, take out the unnecessary cranks, look in the back, and check your seams, your crimp, and everything is fine. Thank you very much. Please check us again.